Okay, let's start. Namaste. This side, Shoma Chatterjee. I am here from on behalf of the team Khwab Zindagi Ke. Today we will talk with family number 15, Ms. Kashmira Sanogi. She is a COVID-19 fighter, and today we will let her disclose about her journey from COVID.
Hello, Shoma.
Hi Kashmira, how are you?
All good now. Thanks for
Okay.
calling me here.
Hmm. She is an entrepreneur. She is a mom. She's a wife. She's a person of her own choice. But unfortunately, she got infected. So let's hear from her own words how she managed with the situation. Over to you, Kashmira.
Actually, we all had means a group of 21 people, including our kids, had gone to Goa in Feb on Feb 17th of Feb, and we returned back on 23rd. So
Mhm.
when we came back on 23rd, my husband was shivering, and he had a fever. So I
After
told,
coming back,
yeah, after coming
immediately.
on the same day, we came back in the morning, and
Mhm.
he started shivering and having fever late noon. So I told
Okay.
him to let's go to doctor right now, but he said that let me see for a day. Then he said that might be because of weather change. Let's see. So on that day we didn't go. And the next day again it was a fever. Then I told him that
So,
let
how much was the fever? Can you please,
one
do you remember?
101, I guess. 101.
From day one, it was
Yeah, yeah,
101.
yeah.
Okay.
And because he is very active, so when he is dull, I feel very scary at that time.
That is very natural.
Yeah. So next day I insisted him and forced him, and we went to doctor. Doctor told him that take medicine, and if it doesn't go well, then we will wait for 1 day or two. Then we will go for COVID test on 20, 25th. Yeah,
That
on
is on
20,
17th, no?
no, no,
23rd you came back
yeah,
after 2 days of
after
getting
2 days.
infected.
Yes, on 25th, I got fever, and my body was paining very, very much. It was terrible pain. I couldn't
Hmm.
shift myself from here to here. It was so much paining. And so on that day, my husband took me to doctor. Because of the pain. I was not able to stand, I was not able to sit, I was not able to sleep. It was very deteriorating. Then we went to doctor told us that you both need to get tested because now the fever has passed to your wife. So we then after 2 days we got our test done. What happened actually, when we came back, two kids, means not my kids, but two kids of our group, they also had fever, and their tests were negative. So we were pretty sure that even our test would be negative. So we were like, oh, ye virally hoga, that kind of attitude we had.
Oh,
But when our this when our test came, it was positive on the
Kashmira,
same.
can you please speak a little louder?
Yeah, just a
Hmm.
minute.
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Actually, after COVID, no, my throat has got very much infected.
Yeah.
It was very
It will take time to
yeah,
heal.
heavy.
It will take time.
And the itching was very much, my I was continuously coughing. It was a dry cough, so it was a terrible pain in my on my throat also.
Mm-hmm.
What
So after tested positive, what was your first reaction towards it? Were you felt very much stressed, or you know how you will deal with it and you will come out of it?
I was not worried much about myself, but I was worried about my
Hmm.
kids because I
Okay.
thought that first I need to take their and my mother-in-law's test done. So
Hmm.
if they are positive, then we can think of something else. And if they are negative, then I thought that we should send them to my mother's place. Though we have our house is big, but then to why to take a risk? So when there. test came negative. Then I told my mother-in-law and my kids to go to my mother's place. So they went there, and when our report came positive, so initially, uh, what happened? The municipal corporation here, they come to us, they keep us calling that how are you going to manage, are you doing home quarantine or are you going to admit, and all that kind of we had many calls, and people, the officers and all that staff was also coming to our place.
Okay. So
But
basically, you received the call from the corporation also to
yes,
check regarding your health and all.
yes,
After you after announced that you are positive.
yes.
So
So
how you manage? You both were infected at home, no help at all.
yeah,
So how you kept yourself calm? What was that inner feeling?
feeling was like, see, I was very much positive, to be
Mm-hmm.
honest. And I was means God has given us, you know, this experience. I took it as that way.
Okay.
Uh, you know,
So
Instead of feeling, oh, we went in a group of 21, why only us, why only us? If we keep on regretting that way, we would be in a negative mode. Now the situation has come, fall into place. Now we have to face it. That's it.
so you mean the brighter side of it? Okay, fine. Now we are infected, no issues. We will fight back and we will be all right.
Yeah,
That was your full idea of the
yeah,
same,
yeah.
right? So what was your steps during that period? How you managed it?
2 days we were home quarantined,
Mm-hmm.
but after 2 days, my husband's oxygen had gone to 85, and
Okay.
my pulse rate was 131. So
Mm-hmm.
we both were in a alarming condition, and our health was also getting deteriorated. My throat, my fever, body pain, and we both had loose motions and all. So it was means like, and no one was there to help us. Yeah,
Severe
yeah,
condition was there.
yeah. The symptoms were very high, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Then I told my husband to let's get admitted. We don't have any other option right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we both got admitted, and
So
I
it's a
had
nearby hospital or you went to some government hospital?
it was nearby hospital only.
Mm-hmm.
Either few of our relatives had told us that you instead go to Mulund, which is nearby. But
Uh-huh.
what happens, no one was there in our close relatives who can manage there or look
Mm-hmm.
behind us, whatever if we want.
Yes.
And then so we thought that let's stay here only nearby, so that whatever
Mm-hmm.
happens, my son, my no, my mother-in-law, my mother. Actually, my mother also fell down. And she had fracture. I was admitted,
Oh.
and she was having a plaster. So things went so much, together. It was very difficult at that time.
All at once, you mean?
All, yeah, 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 all together.
All together. Hmm. So how your kids helped you out?
My
You calling them up? Did you have any video calls or interactions? How you interacted with your kids?
Actually, we both, I and my husband, we both were in ICU.
Mm-hmm.
So I could only text him, my son, and if at all I want to speak very much, if it is very urgent, I used to call to my mother-in-law and or my mother. So if I wanted anything, so my son used to mm, give me
So for how many days you were in ICU?
9 days.
9 days. You both.
Yeah. No, my husband was for 7 days. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
After our CT scan got done, then my husband was, uh, my husband had pneumonia,
Okay.
so he was also shifted to ICU.
Hmm. So when you were in ICU, what was your thinking? Like you were very much dull, you were very much mentally strong.
I was mentally strong.
Mentally strong. So basic your idea is to be mentally strong because only then we can fight off. Because
Absolutely.
this corona is nothing but just it will kill your mental power.
Yes.
It will check. And
Whatever.
by the time,
It is not only corona. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
ailment comes, whatever disease comes,
Mm-hmm.
it is it is up to us how we take it. If we take
Mm-hmm.
it as a fighter, then we will fight that situation. If we take it like a victim, then we are going to, that will
Correct.
overpower us. So it is up to
Correct.
us how we take it.
So after shifted from ICU, for how many days you both were in the hospital?
No, we were from ICU. Then that oxygen was also
Mm-hmm.
removed. They kept us in ICU, but the other things were removed. It was like then we got discharged directly from the ICU.
Okay, and then
So
you
they
came back
kept us
home.
under observation for last
Mm-hmm.
2 3 days, but we were in ICU only.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you were in ICU for the observation period.
Yes.
And after coming back home, how you both managed?
Actually, because I had a dose of 26 to 28 medicines in a day, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and so and my husband was also having medicine, so our tongue was very much red, and we couldn't eat anything.
Bruised.
Bruce, yes. And hardly we could eat. My mom and my mother-in-law used to send from eatables from their house. But what happened, we were not in a position to eat because I felt so spicy, and the chewing
Mm-hmm.
capacity, and we didn't like the food also. So I told them that I would manage whatever I can. So if at all I need something, I will call you. And I was in home isolation after that for 7 days, and my husband was for 14 days. So I thought that let my home isolation get finished, then only I'll call them, and they can all come to, we all can be together. So I managed for those 7 days or 8 days, whatever
Mm-hmm.
there. You know.
Okay. So during your home isolation, what all your steps, how you took it, how you finished your work, what was your way of doing the things, like from disposing of the mask to the sanitization to keep the house clean as well as yourself to manage the food, how you did it?
See, food actually, as I told that were not, that
Mm-hmm.
taste freak at that time. So we were very much focused on salads. The, uh, then
Okay.
then the healthy versions we can say. So whatever I had at my house during that time, I used to
Mm-hmm.
manage from that thing. And
Okay.
because I didn't had to cook a whole meal, so that was also not a big task for me. That how will I manage?
Mm-hmm.
So and only I and my husband, we both were there, and we both were positive. So we both were going through the same condition. So the
So you, for eating part, you use salads. You went for the easy way of eating, like having soups and having some protein-rich.
yes,
Like in dal, also you can add vegetables
yes,
and you can
yes,
have it as
yes,
per your choice by adding a little bit of paprika or black pepper, and
yes,
whatever you like at that point of time. You did that.
yes.
Okay. So did anyone from your neighbors, did they came to check with you or helped you during
They
this time?
they called me that if you
Mm-hmm.
want any help, then do tell us. But I
Mm-hmm.
said I will manage, and it was not difficult actually. But I could manage,
Mm-hmm.
So why should I feel that why should trouble others? So whatever if I want, then my son is also there. My to
Mm-hmm.
bring then my mom's place is my hometown only. So why
Mm-hmm.
should trouble others? That was
No,
my
that is
friends
very
also.
very fine.
Yeah, my
That was a very good decision of yours. That why to trouble others. But moving on to the next segment, what was the time taken by you and your husband for the 14 days? Did you both recover during that 14 days, or you took more than that?
we took almost 1 month.
1 month.
1 month because it was prolonged weakness.
Mm-hmm.
The weakness,
Weakness you
yeah,
felt.
yeah. Even while I was talking, at that time also I could feel that pressure.
Mm-hmm.
So
Pressure in your chest and
yeah,
lungs.
yes, yes,
You easily get tired of.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Lack of breath. We can say shortness of breath.
Mm-hmm.
That was also one cause which took a long period for me to recover. My husband had the doses of remdesivir, but he you know our ladies, I would say, means like when I compare to my and my husband's case, his
Mm-hmm.
immunity is pretty much stronger than mine, so
Achha.
he could recover easily, though he had pneumonia.
No, no, it is a related issue. COVID, after post COVID, the patients are diagnosed with pneumonia, but that can be taken care of under medical supervision.
Yeah.
So I guess when you were hospitalized, you didn't find it very hard to get a bed. Did you found anything like that?
Fortunately, during that time, the cases were less. Once we
Okay.
got discharged, the
Mm-hmm.
cases shoot up like anything. Then it was really difficult for patients to find a bed, find
This means
oxygen.
you discharged by the end of March,
We
if I'm
came
not wrong.
we came home at 11th of March.
11th of March.
Yes,
Okay. So after that, you were at home quarantine.
yes, yes,
So best part, you said that mentally one should be strong enough to fight anything. Your mental power, your willpower is much more important than anything else. If you have that, you can face anything in the
yes,
world, be
yes,
it anything.
yes,
Nothing can stop you.
yes.
And regarding your recovery right now, what process you are following up? Are you in touch with the doctor for the upkeep of your health, for your lungs exercises, for your complete recovery, or you are doing it as per the normal routine, whatever we all are following, like yoga, pranayam, breathing exercises, and eating light in a healthier way?
Yeah. Once my doses, was completed, like
Mm-hmm.
vitamin C, multivitamins, and COVID and all that. It was 1 month dose, 1 month till 1 month we had to take the medicines.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we didn't. We haven't been with touch with any doctor as such.
Okay. So
We
you
just
followed the normal routine like pranayam, yoga, what all you
breathing
did?
exercises, breathing exercises.
Breathing exercises. Okay. So in breathing exercises, what you used to do?
I Anulom Vilom,
Mm-hmm.
Bhasrika,
Okay.
and Brahmari, and this taking a deep breath in, then holding for and holding to the count of two,
Mm-hmm.
then exhaling. So
Mm-hmm.
this in a slow process.
Okay, so basically you have done Anulom Vilom, you have done Bhasrika, you have done all the required Brahmari exercises, required breathing lungs exercises, which will help you to regain your lung strength,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So right now, how are you feeling? What is your feeling after facing this scary, or say the much more hyped scare, COVID?
Actually, hype scare. I would say that it is not a hype scare,
Mm-hmm.
because even I was thinking that last year I felt that is it really so scary?
Mm-hmm.
But no matter, we took all the precautions, but then too. Uh, But when I was in that COVID center, I saw the condition of patients aging from small kids to 90-year-old uncles and aunties also. So the scenario over there was, very few. There were few patients who were pretty normal. There were few patients who were in ICU. There were very, very critical patients also. So for few people, there was only vitamin C, multivitamin, and that kind of doses. People like me was in the middle category. The others were a little
Mm-hmm.
higher, and the critical patients who were on ventilator and all. So I had seen one patient who was admitted on the same day. We got discharged after 9 days, and that patient had got discharged after 24 days. So मतलब वो इतने बड़े भी नहीं थे. He was मीन्स 45 plus, I guess. But
Mm-hmm.
what we see, the how this the staff over there help, the patients to get recover and help them. They don't bother about their health. They don't. They
Staff
are
was very helpful, you mean?
very helpful, very helpful.
They did all the things they can do,
Yes, yes, yes.
and they are doing it,
Yeah,
continuing with that without
yes,
thinking of what will happen to them.
yes, yes. They are living God, I must say.
Hmm. Very well. So, are you going to donate your plasma post you completely recover? Likewise, it's just a 1 month back only. So, are you going to donate?
See, actually, I am anemic,
Oh,
and my hemoglobin is never on normal.
mm-hmm.
My husband donated his plasma last
Before
month.
COVID,
No, after COVID.
after COVID, okay,
Yeah,
with
after
doctor's
COVID.
permission.
Yes, we can, no, because
Mm-hmm.
the antibodies are there in our body. So
Mm-hmm.
after COVID, if we donate our plasma, then that plasma is going to help the other COVID
Mm-hmm.
affected person.
Mm-hmm.
So he gave.
Okay. So right now, how's the situation in your nearby area, in your society, in your family?
Now cases are dropping.
Cases are dropping.
Yeah.
And when they came to know about you, how they all reacted? Did they panicked, or
Yeah,
did they said, did they said, "Oh God, ये क्या हो गया?" Or they said, "Get well soon, ये भी हो जाएगा."
there is always a blend.
Still, they. I mean, as a family, this is the best support one can have.
Yes, yes. During this
Nowadays,
time,
family is the only support one
yes,
can have.
yes, yes.
So, how your family supported you?
My family, my brother used to ask, my sister-in-law used to ask me about my
Mm-hmm.
health. My
Mm-hmm.
close friends, in fact, they used to, they were with us and though they couldn't visit us, but they were in our touch. And they used to tell me that whatever you want, do let us know, do let us know. But I feel like, why should trouble others? So जितना हो सके तो फिर अगर ऐसा हुआ कि नहीं सच में अभी किसी की ज़रूरत है, then I will definitely tell them.
Early call. Okay. So you just made up your mind that I will see to it. I'll do it on my own. No
Yeah.
need.
No,
Until and unless
yes,
एकदम लास्ट तक ना पहुंच जाऊं, मुझे नहीं बुलाना है किसी को.
yes, yes.
That is the spirit of the human. That is the spirit of a great person like you, who didn't bothered about that they are facing this situation, or they did not even cursed God. Instead, they said, "Thank you, God. We'll manage it. आप हो, आप देख लोगे." Right? So, what else you are taking precaution? What precaution you are taking right now after post COVID?
Post-COVID till almost 15 days, I and my husband, we
Mm-hmm.
both were on mask only. And means, though we were at
Was it a
home,
double layer mask or a
no, single mask.
surgical? Single
Yeah,
surgical
yeah,
mask.
yeah.
Okay.
But
And you were removing, discarding the same
uh,
every day?
no. We were washing it.
A
Uh,
reusable mask.
reusable, reusable.
Okay. Cotton
Yeah,
reusable masks.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So besides that, any more thing you were doing, like without mask we will not go out, or
Yes, that too
we
we
will
have to follow.
take ample protection as much as we can.
Yeah, that too we have to follow. We have to follow what the government's guideline is.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Did you the sanitization process also you are following right now, like
No, not now.
wiping off the surfaces which are open and usually come under contact, the main gates, just like that?
When we got, we were back at home
Mm-hmm.
till 20 days around. We used to sanitize our home daily.
Okay.
So before our kids and my mother and mother-in-law came, that time also we sanitized the whole house, and we were
Mm-hmm.
keep on doing it. So our kids and the senior citizens don't get affected.
Hmm. So, your kids were your support during this time. They were with you.
Yeah.
Not physically, but yes, mentally they were there with you all the time. And your mom, your mother-in-law, they both have their blessings on you, both.
Yes. Yes.
So what message you would like to give?
Messages like
Like a message in the way, like we all are going through this situation. If somebody is affected, just like you, that you made up your mind, I will face it, no issues, I'll move it on, I'll fight back. What your message to others in that way?
see, if any situation has come,
Mm-hmm.
it will give us some learning. It will give us some experience. So taking that things positively is only going to help us to come out of that condition. If we are cursing God, or if we are in a negative state of mind, then it is only going to deteriorate our health. So whatever the problem is, let's try to find out the solution. If at all it is in our hands, or baki to I just keep on saying myself many a times. So whatever happens, happens for the good,
Okay,
and move.
so how you feeling right now after a month? How you are feeling right now? Are you able to do your regular
Yes.
pre-COVID works, all the things, whatever you were doing, or you feel a little bit tired and you need some rest?
See, if I
Is there any change that you are feeling?
not now at first, but my throat is having that itching.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't speak a little louder also.
Mm-hmm.
Baki, everything is fine now. And
Okay,
once I, as I told you that I once I had came to home, I started doing my stuff myself. So whatever cooking and whatever things we had to manage, so I did it.
that was very very much handy for you, I guess, because eating was of out of question that point of time, and when your tongue is bruised so much with medicines, you cannot guess what is the taste.
Yeah.
So COVID or non-COVID, it is just the same. So in salads, what you use to make? Can you give a little bit of idea so that our viewers can also make it and taste it?
Yes, I used to make sprouts, and
Okay.
then including all the vegetables which I had, and making sometimes I used to make a spinach soup or broccoli soup or corn soup, like that. So,
Okay.
and
So the easy ways.
yeah, easy
All.
ways, and protein rich also, healthy also.
Mhm. So you are a vegetarian, I guess,
Yeah,
with your healthy habits.
yeah,
So I mean, a lot of protein intake in the form of dals and pulses and grains. This all helped you to come out of it.
yeah. And then chia greens, I used to soak chia seeds,
Mm-hmm.
then flax seeds, and fenugreek seeds. Then what was that? Tulsi seeds
Mm-hmm.
for overnight, and almonds and all. And we used to consume it on the next day. Black raisins.
Okay. Okay. So, what was your idea of now? How will you? How would you like to spread the? How would you like to spread the idea of having a positive attitude if by chance someone is going through this situation?
If your health is stable post COVID, then I will say that you need to occupy yourself in any stuff, because if we are occupied, then we are not going
Mm-hmm.
to think more about our health or the other worries. If we are not occupied, then like empty mind is devil's workshop.
That's a better thing. That's a better point to say. Empty mind devil's workshop.
During when I was in ICU, at that time also I used to write articles. Means what was
Okay.
happening, what was happening in that the day to day experience.
Really?
Initially, yeah, initially 2 3 days I couldn't, because I was on IV and I
Mm-hmm.
was paining here very much.
Mhm.
So after 2 3 days, I started from the first day experience. I kept on writing.
Oh, that's great. This means you kept on yourself busy.
Yeah,
First, the positive attitude, the healthy habits of eating, the idea of to make everything on my own
yeah,
till the time I can, and the best and the other good thing you said that to keep yourself busy. This means you kept yourself out of social media stuff.
not completely. I was very much connected with social
Mhm.
media. I mean, I see.
Social media, I means watching those new stuff
No,
which
no, no, no.
are giving you
Yes,
everyday idea. That was.
yeah,
रेस्ट यस थोड़ा बहुत व्हाट्सएप थोड़ा बहुत फेसबुक देख लिया थोड़ा अच्छा कर लिया बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज वी वर हैविंग ओनली many scary news coming out,
yes.
so you kept out of that, and you were joined with the world. And what else, what kind of articles you have written? Can you share a few light on that? Little bit of
Actually,
light.
yeah, no, the daily experiences means
Okay.
how from how it started, COVID.
Mm-hmm.
I am author by passion. Means last year I was a co-author in one book
Oh,
called Being
that's
Influencer.
great.
So and I keep on
So when
writing
can we
some
have
stuff.
that book?
Yeah, anytime, anytime.
Okay, online or we can have the hard copy?
Yeah, hard copy also, and you have a Kindle version also. We have a Kindle
Oh,
version.
wow,
You
that's
can
great. We would love to. We would love to have you.
so
So you wrote all those articles to keep yourself busy.
the one doctor there, she told me, she asked me that are you means studying for anything? What are you writing? I said I'm not studying. I'm just keeping myself busy because
Mm-hmm.
that budding author inside me was also taking that that eagerness. Once many a times what happens, my mind is very much stuck with lots of information and lots of
Mm-hmm.
things. So I feel very much relaxed if I pen it down. Uh, so keeping
Very,
myself,
very fantastic idea you gave to our viewers, those who are viewing, that keep yourself busy is a better idea than to stick with the so-called social media and watching some stuff which will harm you mentally. So better to be in a little bit constructive way
yes,
to keep yourself busy. That is
yes,
very, very, very much appreciable, because during that time when I am ill and not able to do it and don't know what to do, instead of thinking any negativity, you bring all the positivity to the world by saying so. And obviously, you did it all your own. So basically, your idea was to keep yourself busy. And how you kept yourself busy with your all the day's work? Are you doing it now also?
the household stuff you are talking about.
The household stuff, the writing stuff. What else you are doing?
Yeah, household stuff I am doing. And now, actually, I have joined myself in Carnival of Hope, which is a deep. We are a group of parenting coaches, and
Mm-hmm.
we are into spreading hope and happiness to the society. So we have come up with 45 days program, and I have indulged myself into 3 or 4 activities over there. In talk show
Mm-hmm.
yesterday itself, I hosted a talk show. It was on alternative healing. Then I am in a summer camp group now. It is going to start from 31st to 5th May in family engagement program in parenting series. So I can't sit idle. So sitting
Okay,
idle,
that is your hobby of keeping yourself busy
yeah.
all the time.
So wherever I get any opportunity, I just just a minute, just a minute.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
My battery, just a minute. I'll just on it.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yeah, fine.
Huh. So from a COVID warrior to a writer to a fighter to a mom to a wife to a daughter-in-law, many lives altogether. So how your mom's reaction? Despite you told me that she broke her hand and she was in plaster. So how she helped you?
My goodness, actually, it was. I still, you know, what was the situation there in when hospital? I was during that from this till we were in ICU. I was not at all worried, but when it came to my mother's health, I was worried. Means I can face the situation but when it came to my mom and my mother-in-law was, she's also not pretty well, so she had to manage all the stuff at my mom's place, making food and all that thing. So that point, I was really very much nervous because my mom fell down. She was walking to
Hmm.
order a cake for my daughter's birthday.
Okay.
My daughter's birthday was
So,
on 10th.
so in a way, your family was scared. Your family was supportive. Your family was mentally strong to be by your side all the time,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Hmm.
That's all we need, you know.
Yeah, that is all the best. The best part we need is that we are with our family. We are with our loved ones who love us more than anything else, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So right now you both are